Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds Philips from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the last line we have a button, forget this device. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave them at the device list, to reconnect your earbuds in the future, you need to select disconnect. But let's remove them, so forget this device and forget device. Now we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!